Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So I'll go straight away. This is a bedsitter and I'm just about to take you along with me and take a view of it and like, comment on something that you would like to ask me. So straight away, this is the entrance, that's the door, and those are my shoes. I normally keep them there when I'm from outside. Straight away, this is an indoor plant and it's a real plant. And from the door, you wipe your feet on this rug. Then there's another plant here, a banana plant. It's real too. And on the right side, that's a kitchen. And on the left side, now this is where I place my couches and my bed. So first I'll start with the left side. So this is how I have arranged my, let's just call it a sitting room, even though it's a bedsitter. So I'm trying to go with the yellow, gray, white, and black theme. Though this is not the kind of couches I want, but I'm just trying to keep everything together because I will upgrade when time goes by. So this is not really what I want, but we will keep having it until I get the money to change and move. I still have to make a lot of changes in this house, so there's still more to come. So this is a yellow, brown, white, black theme, and for these couches, they are meant to be like at the balcony or somewhere outdoors. I bought them at where do we call TLC, Thailand Carpet Center, Nyali. And then these pillowcases, they were made by a friend. And then from here, this is just a electric candle. I bought it in Dar es Salaam, Kariakor, for only 200 Kenyan shillings. These are just the serviettes, and this one too, I bought it in Dar es Salaam. I'll be using it as a flower pot, though currently I do not have any, so if I get some, I'll be keeping them there. I bought it in Dar es Salaam, Masaki at 1,000 Kenyan shilling, but in Dar es Salaam that is 20,000 Tanzania shilling. And the shells I was given by a friend, and I decided to just use them as part of my decoration. So from here we go, from the door there's a wardrobe, that's why I arranged my clothes, though they are not neatly arranged, but I tried my best since I just moved in. So there, my shoes and everything. And then when you close, you come on this side, and I decided to put a holder for my handbags, and because they were really coming out on this side, so I decided, why don't I just buy something to distract people from just taking a view. And they're flowers, not real flowers, so it's a bit of a distraction to people who want to concentrate on the handbags and not anything else. And this is where I keep my makeup, lotions, lip balms, the perfume spray, and all that. There. The Wi-Fi is not yet connected, so it's just there. I decided to keep it there. And beneath, it's a novel and other stationaries. And then from here we have this is a desktop, but currently it has a problem, so I do not use it. I'm still trying to find someone who can fix it. So if you know someone who can fix computers in Mombasa, kindly comment below and let me know if I can reach him or her out to come fix it for me, because it has issues. That's why I put my iron box. That's a small mirror, though I need a big mirror so that it can enable me to have a good view. Then this is a rug. I bought it at Naivas, 6,000 Kenya shilling. And this is a 50-inch TV. I recently bought it and it was on offer. I bought it at 36,000 Kenyan shilling, somewhere around in town, Mombasa. Kasam Kanji, that's their Facebook name. So you can search them. They have great offers and affordable. And this one, the glass, I bought it at Tile and Carpet Center. I don't really remember the price. And this one I bought at a shop just opposite Tile and Carpet Center. There's a shop which is really good. It sells good things like everything. They have everything, home appliances and everything. And this is a fan. I got it a long time ago, but I use it when I normally I switch this off at night, and because it doesn't reach on my bedside, so it's normally hot at night, so I switch off this and I use this fan at night. So where are we? Then from here, from there we go straight to the bed. Underneath there's another mattress because I don't use it anymore. I just moved in from a big house to a smaller house because currently I travel a lot because of work, so I decided to get this small house so that it can save money and also be my things to be more secured. That's why I have a small house, to save money. That's how my bed looks like. It's a 4x6 bed. And those are curtains. Those were bought in China by a friend. It was a gift, so I don't really remember the price. And from there, about the balcony, I think I'll show the balcony once it has been arranged properly because it's still a mess, and today I did laundry, so it's not really good. So I'll show this after, like when I have arranged everything, that is when I'll show the balcony. So for now, let's just concentrate with I call it my sitting room. So that's how it is. That's the view from the balcony side. That is the view. And one thing I like about this house, like the owner considered to make sockets, like you can plug in a socket from anywhere and it reaches you properly. You can see it has sockets all over, which is good, and the space is bigger. That is why I loved it. The moment I saw it, I said, this is what I'm getting. Like, you can see it's so big. The owner was so considerate. You see, this is a bathroom and a toilet, and you can see how big it is. It's not normal, like a bedsitter, having a bigger toilet and a bathroom. Normally you cannot get it anywhere. Like you can find it, but it's not that easy. So this is how it is. I haven't really tried to fix anything right now because I'm a little bit held up. I'm still trying. So that's how it is. That's the sink and everything, the soaps for washing hands. Garnier, I'm a Garnier fan. Yeah, that's it. This is the, you see, you can see there's another socket above there. Like it's so good and it's big. It's so big. And from the bathroom you can see a proper view of the full house. Sitting room, there it is. And it has enough light. From here now, this is, what do I call, like my lounge area. So I'm considering, after I'm well prepared, I'll be getting 2 seats here for the lounge area so that I can be using it when I want to eat and do other things. You can see these two, I bought it in Tanzania, 20,000 Tanzanian shilling, which is 1,000 Kenyan shilling. And this one I bought it at, I remember it's like 500 Kenyan shilling. I bought it in Tanzania, Kariakoo market, because that's where I reside normally because of work. And this is a speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. A friend bought it for me. It can be used as a Bluetooth speaker, and you can also use it as a light when there are no lights here. That's it. This is my water. Normally I drink water each time, so I have to keep it near me. This is just a seat which I'll be removing it because I don't like it. So it's just here because I haven't gotten any to replace. And that's a dustbin. From here, forgive me please for what you'll see because it's a little bit rough in my kitchen. I'm still arranging everything, so please forgive me. But I promise soon it will look much better. That's the cake I was eating. Water heater here. And this is a cake. My eggs. The sockets there. These are other things that I haven't arranged them. So for now they'll just be there for the time being. You can see the sink. I would like someone to tell me how to remove these stains because I have tried removing it with acid, but it's not going out. So kindly, if you know of anything that can be used to remove stains, please kindly comment below and let me know how to get it. And then that's where I keep my utensils. When they dry up, I normally keep them here. Yeah. So we have enough room. We have enough room for all these things. You can see enough room. Like the owner was so considerate. We have enough room. The kitchen is so big and I love it. You can see, like, it is so big. A lot of space. a lot of space to put everything that you want. This is where I put my everything, and here I'm still arranging them, so forgive me if they're not really properly arranged, because moving is really stressful, and I'm trying my best. And then you can see more space below, more space, like we have more than enough space here, more space there, all over, like a lot of space. And there, that's my oven. That's a rice cooker. I bought it from a friend. So he was traveling and he decided to sell everything, so I took advantage of it. This one I bought it at Nawal Center in Mombasa, Mombetayari, if you know the place. That's it. I bought that second hand from a friend. I put my salt, sugar, and this is still empty because I haven't thought of putting anything. I was cooking something. Also this, I bought it second hand, and you can see like this is not like, it has stains. I have really tried to remove it. You can see it's shining, right? But with this, I still don't know how. It's the same way with the other side. I really don't know. I have tried using the sanitizer and all that, but it's not going out. It's shiny, like it's not dirty, it's shiny, you see, but it's not moving. So please kindly comment and let me know what I should use for it to be clear, sparkling clean. For now, that's it. That's the view of my house. You can see from the kitchen. That's it. And the indoor plants makes it look more classy. It makes everything look more, and this flower, like it looks so good. I love it. But I still have a long way to go. Being a new YouTuber, I still don't know a lot of things. So guys, you are free to correct me in a kind way, please. Let me know what I should change, like how you view my videos. How are they? Are they clear? Do I need to add efforts when it comes to my camera? I know I'm just using an Android phone, so it may not be clear, but I promise you guys, things will change once I get the good quality phone. So for now, please enjoy this and kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. I would really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And still more to come. Check each and every of my updates, subscribe, and let's support this baby girl. Thank you.